The argument proceeded on his bail application, and the magistrate reserved this ruling. Ruling is going to be ready according to the magistrate at 11:15 on Monday.
Okay. What were the arguments?
The arguments were basically for his release, nothing else, because it's a constitutional entitlement that upon arrest one must be released unconditionally. So it was the thrust of our argument.
And the state in opposing?
The state simply said if he's released, it's going to be beaten up by the police, number one. Number two, they won't guarantee safety. But obviously, you know that the police are there to ensure that there's peace and tranquility in the country. They are paid from taxpayers' money to make sure that they look after citizens. You and I are safe, including the accused person. So I don't get the basis upon which such an argument was made. But anyway, we leave it to the court to make a decision.
But this is the second time that we are here, on almost on similar charges. What's your opinion about all these arrests on inciting public violence or arbitrary?
I want to confine myself to the matter that I'm handling. Number one. Number two, I'm confining myself to the arguments that I can personally make in court, or that I have made in court, not any other political statements or opinions that I carry. Thank you.